In this session, we explore Beyond the Shadows, the movement from fantasy into the holy relationship. Drawing on Chapter 17 of A Course in Miracles, we will examine how illusions shape our connections and how a shift in purpose allows relationships to become channels of healing, clarity, and shared purpose. This slide contrasts the dream with reality. In the dream, betrayal and sin appear real, yet they exist only in imagination. Waking represents the recognition that reality remains untouched and sinless. Education here is learning that true release does not occur inside the dream, but by awakening to a state that the dream never altered. Here we unpack the anatomy of a shadow figure. The call of truth reaches the mind, yet the ego inserts a substitute, a special relationship, to block it. These substitutes are not neutral. They are designed to fully occupy attention, so the call of truth cannot be heard. Our task is to recognize this tactic and choose differently. We now compare two paradigms of connection. The special relationship is rooted in fantasy and sustained by attack, leading to separation and weakness. The holy relationship is grounded in truth and light, maintained through gratitude and the holy instant. Its outcome is shared power and complete release from fear-based patterns. Withholding carries a severe cost. Retained fantasies, based on the belief that some problems are harder than others, weigh against our appreciation of the whole. This defense mechanism keeps aspects of life outside truth. The trade-off is clear. Whatever we reserve for ourselves, we withhold from the very source that would free us. Disturbance functions as a mirror. We lose peace when we see others using fantasy to solve problems. Yet this reaction is a projection of our own unhealed attempt to do the same. The key takeaway is educational. Recognizing substitutes in another is an invitation to forgive that pattern in ourselves, not to condemn it. Faithlessness serves only illusion. When we rely on it, we are carried deeper into the shadows. While faithlessness cannot change truth, it can obscure our awareness of it. The intervention is practical. Allow faithlessness to arise, observe it calmly, recognize the false comfort it offers, and firmly decline to act from it. Joining in the holy presence aligns purpose, means, and relationship. The holy instant is the shared moment where you and another accept a fixed goal of peace. Suffering stems from a mismatch between purpose and perceived means. Because the goal is certain, the means will appear. Our action is to give thanks, not attack. The upward spiral of shared gladness unfolds in 4 phases. First, recognize and accept the gifts you and others have exchanged. Second, allow the holy instant to correct all mistakes. Third, experience freedom from the painful results of past errors. Finally, extend this release to everyone through ongoing gratitude. Holiness must extend everywhere to be genuine. A relationship is holy only when its purpose is carried into all situations. As we commit to this goal, every circumstance becomes a form of universal service, with nothing too small or too large. Our mandate is simple. Let the universe support this purpose without interference. We conclude by looking past the stars to the universe. The strength to dispel the dream already resides within you. When you step out of the shadows, the universe aligns to serve the light. Yet there is a final warning. Even this vast power can seem absent if we choose small faithlessness and cling to the shadow instead.